Good day, everyone. My name is Farron Barnes. I'm the Recreational Activities Coordinator at College of the North Atlantic's Prince Philip Drive campus. I'll be your tour guide for today, so come on in. Let's have a look around. Welcome to College of the North Atlantic Prince Philip Drive campus, located on the southeast part of Newfoundland in the capital city of St. John's, the historical and commercial center of the province. The metropolitan area supports a population of approximately 170,000 residents. The city is large enough to provide a full range of services, yet small enough to provide a sense of community. Full-time credit course registration is approximately 1,500 students per semester, with another 500 registered part-time. Upwards of 2,500 students participate in continuing education evening courses. You are viewing the shop area for the Welder Pre-Employment to Red Seal Certification Program. We have three welding shops for a total of 48 students. Each student will have his or her own welding booth, and we also have a mechanical equipment shop. Every shop will have the same equipment that you would find in any industrial welding and fabrication shop. You will begin by learning about safety, proper use of tools and equipment, and how to set up for welding practices. Over the 9-month program, you will practice your welding and fabrication skills daily with highly experienced welding instructors. Upon completion of the welder program, you will graduate with the proper welding techniques and applications to find employment as a welding apprentice, and as you gather work experience, ultimately a Red Seal certified welder. Welcome to PPD Gymnasium. Right now, the gymnasium is set up for fitness training for our paramedicine program, but under normal operations, the gymnasium is open for students daily for recreational use. On the upper level, you can see our cardio training area and fitness center. Both are available to students free of charge and provide an array of exercise equipment. This is our cardio area that was set up to satisfy training requirements during COVID. The area to the right houses our resistance training equipment. This is the shop area for the Automotive Service Technician Program Advanced Levels. After you are employed in the field and have work experience, you will return to campus for the advanced level training to further develop your skills and knowledge on more advanced vehicle systems and repair techniques. This will include repair and theory of vehicle systems such as electrical and electronics, restraints, heating, ventilation and air conditioning, steering, suspension, and wheel alignments, diagnosis and overhaul of vehicle components such as engines, automatic and manual transmissions, four-wheel drive transfer cases, rear axles, and final drive assemblies. This is the General Motors Training Center in Newfoundland and Labrador. It is one of only 14 General Motors training centers in Canada. This is the classroom and shop areas of the General Motors Automotive Service Educational Program, ASEP. To the far left is the workbench area. This is where students will disassemble and reassemble components such as transmissions and rear drive axles. To the rear left is the classroom area. This is the classroom where students practice hands-on training. Each student has their own laptop and access to all of General Motors service information. To the right is the shop area. This is where the on-vehicle exercises take place. All the necessary tools, equipment, and vehicles that are required for bench and on-vehicle exercises in the ASE program are provided by General Motors. To enroll in the GM ASE program, you must be employed by a General Motors dealership in Newfoundland and Labrador and have successfully completed Automotive Service Technician Level 1 pre-employment 9 months or Automotive Service Technician Level 1 direct entry 8 weeks. ASEP is a 2-year apprenticeship program that is designed to train candidates in leading-edge diagnostic and repair techniques on today's GM vehicles. You will be trained on a rotational basis, 8 weeks in the classroom and 8 weeks hands-on at your dealership. Cooking 2. Welcome to our lower kitchen, G110. This is the kitchen in which the Advanced Cooking Blocks and Marine Cooking program is taught. This kitchen houses the main workstations for the students and all of the equipment, supplies, and ingredients to cook up a career that will surely satisfy anyone's taste buds. Cooking Level 1. Welcome to the upper kitchen used for our entry-level cook program. The kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art equipment that you will find in most commercial kitchens. We have everything from propane grills, burners, and ovens to char broilers, fryers, and even to most advanced equipment such as immersion circulators. Student projects will comprise of knife skills, sanitation and safety, stocks, soups and breads, to elaborate cakes and pastries. Welcome to the cafeteria. The PPD campus cafeteria has a 100+ seating capacity available for students, faculty, and staff to relax and refuel. Open early mornings for coffee and snack service, as well as daily hot lunch line, often prepared by our very own culinary students. In addition, the food service team features a 3-rooms canteen located at the main entrance of the building, which is our one-stop shop for convenience items, hot and cold beverages, deli items, and other snacks. Though we are currently under restrictions related to COVID protocols, we endeavor to return to full service for the fall of 2021. Located at the front entrance of the building, F201, you will find lots of books and online databases for every program in our Learning Commons library area. Printing and photocopying service is also available. Just get your reloadable card at the bookstore. The Help Center with instructors scheduled for all subjects is also available. Quiet study hall in the back, group study conference rooms, reserve your time at the circulation desk. Email, phone, Skype, or drop by if you have any questions. This is a shop area for the Automotive Service Technician pre-employment program. We have 2 groups, each having their own shop area. Students begin by learning about safety, shop tools and equipment, and hand skills. More advanced components of the program including learning about steering, brake suspension, and lubrication systems, just to name a few. This is the PCA Lab. Upon completion of the Personal Care Attendant PCA program, graduates will be able to provide holistic client-centered care across the lifespan, provide safe, competent, and ethical care, communicate effectively with clients, families, and the healthcare team. Some common duties of a PCA will be assisting in the preparation of laboratory specimens, assisting residents and patients with routine activities of daily living such as bathing, ambulating, dressing, assisting with feeding, and participating in recreational activities as necessary. Laboratory 1. This is the first year chemistry lab that is utilized by our Comprehensive Arts and Science CAS transfer program. This program provides students with the opportunity to complete a suite of courses for which they will gain credit from College of the North Atlantic as well as from Memorial University of Newfoundland. It has been developed through an agreement with Memorial University. Courses identified in this section are developed in collaboration with Memorial's respective departments. This is the Histology Lab. It is part of the Medical Laboratory Technology Program, MLT, in the School of Health Sciences. In this lab, students learn how to identify and process surgical specimens. They prepare them for microscopic analysis by sectioning the sample into very thin layers and use a variety of special stains to bring out specific tissue details. This is particularly useful in assisting with the diagnosis of certain cancers. Laboratory 3. This is the clinical chemistry lab in the MLT program. In this lab, students use both manual and automated techniques to assess a variety of lab values. Results from this lab would evaluate liver, kidney, and heart function, as well as determine glucose and electrolyte levels. Laboratory 4. This is the Microbiology Lab in the MLT program. In this lab, students learn how to grow, isolate, and identify various pathogenic bacteria. The lab shows students how different antibiotics can be used to treat different types of infections by illustrating susceptibilities and resistance of common microbes. This lab is also home to our real-time PCR machine that teaches students how to do genetic testing, including COVID testing protocols. Laboratory 5. This is a transfusion science lab in the MLT program. In the lab, students develop skills centered around compatibility, testing for an understanding of blood products such as plasma, platelets, red blood cells, and various blood factor concentrates. They also gain knowledge in identifying clinically significant antibodies, which will assist in providing care for people in need of a blood transfusion, those suffering from autoimmune diseases, and prevention of hemolytic disease in the newborn. Laboratory 6. This is one of the labs used in the medical radiography program. Medical radiology technologists, MRTs, play a vital role in the diagnosis and treatment of many injuries and illnesses. At a physician's request, MRTs operate equipment that emits X-rays to produce images of a body part or system. Their work involves a wide variety of procedures and specialties, including routine general radiography, mammography, angiography, fluoroscopy, and computed tomography. The program provides the students with extensive classroom and clinical experience. Graduates of this program will be prepared to work competently and skillfully, providing diagnostic imaging care per the national standards for MRT practice. Laboratory 7. This is the clinical simulation lab used in the Primary Care Paramedicine program, PCP. Provision of emergency medical services, EMS, is a unique and vital community service. Paramedics are highly skilled members of a healthcare team who function within the discipline of emergency and pre-hospital care. Paramedics initiate medical treatment for individuals in urgent and non-urgent situations. Based on sound knowledge, these practitioners demonstrate rational problem-solving abilities and excellent decision-making skills. This program addresses the operational, procedure skills of the primary care paramedics, as well as the ethical and professional behaviors such as effective communication. Laboratory 8. This is one of the labs used in the Respiratory Therapy Program. Respiratory therapists are healthcare professionals who contribute to the diagnosis and management of cardiorespiratory disorders, providing such services as cardiopulmonary resuscitation, ventilator management, oxygen and aerosol therapy, patient assessment and evaluation, and diagnostic services including pulmonary function testing. Most respiratory therapists work in hospitals, neonatal nurseries, operating rooms, intensive care units, general wards, pulmonary function labs, and emergency departments. Respiratory therapists may also work in community settings such as home care, asthma clinics, research, and medical equipment sales and service. Respiratory therapists require good judgment, excellent interpersonal skills, and the ability to maintain their composure in critical medical situations. Laboratory 9. This is another lab used in the primary care paramedicine program, as well as the advanced care paramedicine program, ACP, that has recently been added to the college. The advanced care paramedicine program is a 4-semester post-diploma program offering training in advanced emergency care to the primary care paramedics who are presently practicing in one of the 4 regional health authorities in the province of Newfoundland and Labrador. This post-diploma program is designed to allow advancement of practice for the PCP level to the ACP level while allowing students to maintain employment in their respective communities. Laboratory 12. This is the biology lab used in the Comprehensive Arts and Sciences CAS transfer program. Many students utilize this program to complete courses, which will allow them to apply and be accepted into one of the health science programs listed previously. This is the shop area for the Auto Body and Collision Technician program. At Prince Philip Drive campus, we offer both a pre-employment program as well as delivery of all advanced levels of training in the apprenticeship program. The entry-level training will assist you in developing sufficient basic skills and knowledge to enter the labor force as an apprentice auto body and collision technician. During your time here, you will progress from learning using basic shop safety and proper use of hand and power tools to learning how to bring a collision damaged vehicle back to its pre-accident condition by performing the following: repairing dents and scratches, prepping, prime, and paint, basic welding, remove and replace damaged vehicle components. After you are employed in the field area and have work experience, you will then return for the advanced level training to further develop your skills and knowledge on more advanced vehicle systems and repair techniques. This will include unibody and frame repairs, electrical and electronic repair and theory, non-metal repairs, plastic, fiberglass, carbon, fiber, etc., damage analysis and estimating using advanced computer measuring systems and software. In our program, we use the latest industry standards, are environmentally friendly, and use water-based paints and products in our refinishing shop.